1. Basil, ideal for pots, requires sunlight and well-drained soil. 2. Mint, thrives in containers, needs partial shade and regular watering. 3. Rosemary, well-suited for pots, prefers full sun and good drainage. 4. Thyme, compact and grows well in containers with well-drained soil. 5. Chives, container-friendly, needs sunlight and regular watering. 6. Parsley, grows well in pots, prefers moist, well-drained soil. 7. Oregano, well-suited for containers, requires sunlight and good drainage. 8. Cilantro, coriander, grows easily in pots with well-drained soil. 9. Sage, container-friendly, thrives in well-drained soil and sunlight. 10. Dill, suitable for pots, prefers well-drained soil and sunlight. 1. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, a fragrant herb with vibrant green leaves. Basil thrives in well-drained soil and requires sunlight. It adds a sweet, aromatic flavor to various dishes. 2. Mint, mentha, mint varieties, like spearmint or peppermint, are hardy in pots. They prefer partial shade and regular watering. Mint is known for its refreshing taste in beverages and culinary dishes. 3. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, with needle-like leaves. Rosemary is well-suited for containers. It enjoys full sun and well-drained soil, providing a robust, earthy flavor to many recipes. 4. Thyme, Thymus, compact and versatile. Thyme adapts well to pot cultivation. It requires well-drained soil and adds a subtle, savory note to a variety of dishes. 5. Chives, Allium schenoprasum. Chives, with slender green stalks, grow easily in pots. They need sunlight and regular watering, imparting a mild onion flavor to salads, soups, and more. 6. Parsley, Petroselinum crispum. This leafy herb flourishes in containers with moist, well-drained soil. Parsley adds a fresh, slightly peppery taste and is a versatile garnish. 7. Oregano, Origanum vulgar, well-suited for pots. Oregano prefers sunlight and good drainage. It offers a robust, slightly spicy flavor, enhancing Italian and Mediterranean dishes. 8. Cilantro, Coriandrum sativum. Cilantro grows easily in pots with well-drained soil. Its fresh, citrusy leaves are popular in various cuisines, especially Mexican and Asian. 9. Sage, Salvia officinalis, container-friendly. Sage thrives in well-drained soil and sunlight. It has a savory, earthy flavor, complementing meats and savory dishes. 10. Dill, Anethum graveolens, suitable for pots. Dill prefers well-drained soil and sunlight. Known for its feathery leaves and aromatic seeds, dill adds a light, tangy flavor to dishes, especially fish and pickles. 1. Basil, ideal for pots, requires sunlight and well-drained soil. 2. Mint, thrives in containers, needs partial shade and regular watering. 3. Rosemary, well-suited for pots, prefers full sun and good drainage. 4. Thyme, compact and grows well in containers with well-drained soil. 5. Chives, container-friendly, needs sunlight and regular watering. 6. Parsley, grows well in pots, prefers moist, well-drained soil. 7. Oregano, well-suited for containers, requires sunlight and good drainage. 8. Cilantro, coriander, grows easily in pots with well-drained soil. 9. Sage, container-friendly, thrives in well-drained soil and sunlight. 10. Dill, suitable for pots, prefers well-drained soil and sunlight.